Today, Cheshire Cat from our Rolling Acres chapter is cooking up some dessert. You gotta check this out.
I'm really hoping you guys like those pears.
I have no doubt we're gonna like those pears. No doubt.
Because I posted them on the chapters page.
Yeah.
And a lot of people were like, "Hey, how do you make those?"
Yep.
I'm like, "They're so easy to make." Literally.
And it's a nice, mixing it up, and just doing something little other than some kind of protein poultry thing that we're going to do all the time. It's nice to kind of, or steak or whatever. It's a nice break from that. I love that.
You really got to break my nuts, huh?
Good one.
All right, what are those? What did you do? What are these?
These are toasted, smoked in cherry hazelnuts.
Oh, wow.
So it's one of those things, when you get them, you get a bunch of them, you don't know what to do with them, so you get creative.
Yep. Well, gotta do it.
So I was saying, I was telling them, Warden, sometimes like in around fall, we'll like make our own Chex Mix.
Yeah.
So you take like half the stuff
Yeah.
with the nuts and you smoke it,
Yeah.
and you mix it with the stuff that's not smoked,
Yeah.
and you let it sit for a week, and it's
yeah.
freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Especially if you add like nuts to it,
Yeah.
and the nuts are,
Right.
they're smoked.
Get
Then
that
you
out
put
of the
like
way.
some kind of like Sweet Martha, and you smoke it with brown sugar, and the sugar caramelizes onto the nuts.
There you go.
Oh, it's so good. And what else do you have in there too? With the mixture you were just hammering with?
These are also dehydrated.
Yep.
Cherry smoked apples.
Oh man. Okay.
So now we just mix some cream cheese in with this. We're gonna mix this in with this.
All right. Some cream cheese.
That looks amazing.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this
And
is
it's just a
good snack.
mix
too.
around. Yep.
Yeah, mix it. You smell that? The nuts.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely.
So this is pretty much it.
All right. Cool.
Put it into the pear.
Yeah.
You'll need it.
Yep.
All right. Let's move it. All right.
So these are just basically poached pears. It's 1/3 red wine, any kind of cheap red wine, cranberry juice, and a cinnamon stick. You put the cinnamon stick, you bring it up to a boil, you take it off, throw it in the fridge for 24 hours,
cool.
and it absorbs all the stuff.
And you just pour it out.
Just pour it out if you can. All right. And you just take a little bit of this, pop it in there. That's a nice little appetizer.
Looks amazing.
Sometimes they don't behave. Well, it depends on the age of the pear too. If the pear's really soft to begin
Yeah.
with,
Yep.
It's going to be difficult.
it's going to be difficult. But yeah, you just take this little ball, put it in there,
All right.
and then
All right.
I can
Then
make
so on and
nicer
so
ones.
forth. Yeah. No, it's all right. Looks good.
But the idea is you don't want to cook them. You just want to like poach them.
Yep. Just some.
We don't do a Michelin 5-star review here, so
Okay.
Although these are.
and if we were certified for that, they would turn around and lose their you know what.
So I mean, I suppose I could ball it, make balls, but it's not. You kind of get the idea.
Yeah.
Something like that.
All right. Oh wow.
All right. You want to hand it out, or you want me to hand it out?
Well, you're going to eat that just like that, you mean?
Yep.
All right, cool.
I can.
Cream cheese?
You can pass them around.
Yeah.
All right, guys, step on up.
How about up? Eat 'em.
I'm going to grab one here.
Look at this.
Woo! Come on up there, Mr. Fame.
Wow. I see pear. Look at that. Oh, boy, this is a beautiful, beautiful thing. This is dessert. This is major.
But it's easy to do.
Yeah,
Real
easy to do.
Look at this. Wow.
That is
Real good.
different.
You good?
Pit
Very
bastard.
good, brisket.
Oh yeah.
Top notch, man. In fact, to hell with the ribs. Just make another batch of these, man. Wow.
Poached pears with cream cheese, apple, and smoked hazelnut.
Yep.
Damn.
Press people at the party with us. All right. Awesome
Well,
job.
we can move in tomorrow, man. We'll make some room for you.
Yeah.
So the crunchy is apple.
The crunchy is the smoked hazelnut, and the chew is the apple.
I've been trying to think of a name for them. I've been calling them in my mind. I've been calling them Massa B.
Master P.
B. Mass for Massachusetts and B for Bruce.
Massa B.
Massa B.
Massa B. All right.
Oh,
Cheers.
Pretty simple.
Awesome. Very, very good.
But they're versatile too, so you can just take anything you want.
Yep.
You can say, hey, I want to do this.
Very good.
Puff it, you know.
And the liquid is,
It's just red wine and cherry cranberry juice.
so you could drink that.
we were talking about
Pour
that.
that right into a wine glass and drink it.
Well, it did come to a boil. So
Maybe if you want to add a little bourbon to it.
I think the bourbon's a good idea,
There you
sir.
go.
I think so too, because
Yeah.
when you boil it, you're going to boil some of the alcohol off.
Absolutely.
You got to put the alcohol back into it.
Jackie bought me that.
Matter of fact, don't pour that out.
I won't.
No, I'm going to get a mason jar later.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.